Hey, 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 it's What's Cooking, and Philip Fredrickson went down to Chula Seafood today, which is located in Point Loma, and picked up 10 pounds of ahi and 10 pounds of salmon. For us, he took that to friends of ours, and then he also got, I think, 8 pounds, 4 pounds of salmon and 4 pounds of tuna for us. So we've got fish like crazy. So I just took the skin off of the salmon, and we're going to cook the skin because it's very, very good for you. And then I am just going to slice up. I'm not sure I'm doing this right. You know, I thought I was getting good at the tuna part, but I'm not sure I'm good at the salmon part yet. I know that this can't be right. Anyway, I think I must need to turn it this way. Okay. Chef David from Wrench and Rodent, he says that the fish talks to you and it tells you how to cut it. This fish ain't talking to me right now. I need it to like speak to me. So we're gonna have sashimi salmon, sashimi tuna, and we have grilled peaches that we're gonna also use with the sashimi. And we have some, it's called yuzu sauce, so we're going to put some of that on with the grilled peaches and some jalapenos. So that should be really, really good. So I'm going to put this in the fridge so that it does not go bad, and I'll keep cutting it after I do a few other things. So, okay, we've got tuna. I'll cut this up. Like my new knife? I'm totally digging it. Thank you, Cutco Knife guy, Eric Gilman. I love my new knife. See, I guarantee you I'm not cutting this the way that I'm supposed to, but somebody is going to rescue me from myself and teach me, because I don't want to ruin all this good fish. And don't forget, you can still buy all this great fish from the harbor and Point Loma, Dockside Harbor, Chula Seafood, Mitch's Seafood, Tommy Gomes, Fishmonger, tons and tons and tons and tons and tons, literally, of fresh fish. And you can also go Thursday through Sunday up to Oceanside and have phenomenal sushi at the Wrench and Rodent. And Lauren and Alex and Chef David, they'll all be rocking and rolling. We actually are going there on Thursday because we will have not had enough seafood, right? Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands. The other thing I'm making today, which you guys have seen me do before, you know, I'm running out of stuff to make, but I'm going to make fresh spring rolls. So hang on one second while I just put all of this in the fridge. I do not want the fish to sit out. This is the skin, which we are going to cook and use. Get this, put away. Did not mean to dump that in the sink. You have to keep your fish nice and cold so that it doesn't get bacteria. Okay. This will be for a little bit later. Philip is hiking at the momento. All right. Now that we have that done, let me wash my hands again. All right, so we have some grilled balsamic glazed chicken. We have fresh cilantro. We have julienne carrots, jalapenos, fresh spring roll, onions, radish, and my trusty dusty plate. And gotta get the water going. The rice paper. Oh, Mackenzie's gonna bark. Probably because Joe is outside doing something. She has quite the little conversation with that dog that he has next door. So you want to get this, you kind of can feel it when it feels like it's good and soft, but you don't want it to tear. And then you just lay it down, make sure that it's not wrinkled. Okay, and then I'm going to put some fresh red leaf lettuce, some of the chicken, nice and cut up. Ooh, it's nice and fresh. Spring rolls, I love making these. Jalapenos, some cilantro, right? a couple julienne carrots in there, and then throw some sesame seeds all over because they'll show through, and then you're going to fold it like a little burrito is the hope, right? So fold both sides in. We opened a new escrow today for first-time home buyers. We are so stoked. Got them a gorgeous piece of property in 4S, which is like Rancho Bernardo area, and multiple offers, and we scored, look, la la. See how pretty it is? You don't want to stick them on top of each other either because they do stick together. So I always use parchment paper in between the layers, and that way they don't stick. I think this is like a great way to use leftovers. You know, if you've got like leftover pork roast or leftover steak or chicken or even, you know, fish, just throw everything together in these little, see, got it on the plate. And then some of the lettuce. All right, more chicken. So anyway, we opened escrow today for first-time home buyers. Super stoked. They were referred to us by Claire and Gordon, past clients. And going to do the physical inspection this week, following all our safety COVID protocols, right? So, but it was cool. We were super, super excited for them. It's always fun when you find something that you just know is the perfect property. And when I opened the door, I had goosebumps. I'm like, this is it. So, and it's an agent who lives there and owns the property. So that's kind of interesting too. All right, let's see how I did on this one. Not too shabby. All right. So you get the drift, right? Peanut sauce. New peanut sauce. My friend Stephanie, she told me, I think she's watching. So Stephanie said, with my peanut sauce, that I can do a really good steak salad with peanut sauce dressing, and I can do like edamame pasta, which you can buy at first you can buy it on Amazon, and you can get it at Costco, and it's got like 18 grams of protein in it, and it tastes and feels like real pasta. Anyway, I think you mentioned stuff that we could do like a peanut sauce pasta, correct? And if Philip would eat shrimp, it would be super good with shrimp, but that would kill him, so we don't want him to have any shrimp. The grilled peaches are gonna go with the sashimi tonight with the jalapenos and the ouzo sauce. And then the peanut sauce will be used for the spring rolls. So I will make a couple more because I'm now obsessed with these. And I think it's all in the prep. I don't know if you can see my cutting board that's over here, but I have every single thing. Let me see if I can even, hang on. Let me roll one first so that it doesn't get messy. Can you see my cutting board? Let me see if I can move it. Anyway, it has like all the ingredients diced, chopped, and ready. See it? So that you have all your little goodies prepared and ready. And you just sprinkle a little bit of everything that you want. You could put basil in here if you had fresh basil. We do have fresh basil. I made a basil vinaigrette the other night that was super, super good. Okay. And then we roll these little guys up. Kind of tuck it in. Hey, I heard that some of the 24-hour fitnesses are closing. Boy, that's a bummer. Jeez, I'm telling you, we're not going to know the extent of what's going on, are we? Until probably years from now with different businesses. Nail salons get to open this week. I think Friday, Saturday. So I've got my appointment, 1 o'clock on Saturday. I can't wait to see the gals. I mean, I miss them. And I'm sure that they've hated not being able to work. So I'm super excited about that. Okay, here we go. Lay another one down. You know, I'm gonna put peaches in one of them. I bet it would be good with the grilled peach, don't you think? Chicken, grilled peaches, jalapenos, cilantro. Ooh, haha. Some peaches in this one. I'm gonna put definitely jalapenos and cilantro. But I'm not gonna put green onion in this one. I think I'll just leave this one without. And I think it would be good with the peanut sauce and the peaches. All right. So, how's everybody doing? Is everybody back to work? Not work? I know our musicians and our actors are still not working, that's for sure. We've got to get, I was wondering, like TV and content and movies and stuff, there's not going to be anything for the next year or so, I would think. That's going to be super sad. Valerie is still doing her fashion distraction. If anybody's looking to support small businesses, she's got a beautiful show that she does every day at 2 p.m. I know Tommy Gomes goes live on his Facebook every morning to update us on seafood. Almost all the restaurants are now open, that can open, which is awesome. So I just texted Chef Stefano from Piazza 1909, and they're up in Venice Beach riding bikes today because it's their day off. And then next week we have friends coming into town, so we told them about going to Piazza 1909 and giving them some love. Okay. Heck, I'm doing another peach one because I have a feeling the peaches are going to be really good in here. All right. It is a beautiful day today. Little Ricky, a lot of drama in the chicken coop still. She is laying in the corner on someone else's egg. And I have a feeling that it's Ginger's egg, and there's probably going to be some big old battle. I hope she's not being, what do they call it? When a chicken lays, broody. I hope she's not being broody because that will be super bad news. Hang on, I gotta get parchment paper. Okay. Get some parchment paper. Oh, usually I have to use scissors to do that. Okay. So I'm just stacking them up on this little bowl here. And we'll have sort of a weird dinner, right? We're gonna have chicken fresh rolls, and we're gonna have a bunch of fresh fish and peanut sauce that I made in my cool little mason jar. All right, so I'm gonna get off of this so you guys have a wonderful day. Everybody stay safe and healthy. Lots of things going on in our world, that's for sure. Make sure you register to vote. Make sure you register to vote. That's huge. All of us, it's the American way, and we have that right, and we better exercise it. So in the meantime, stay physically distant while staying socially connected. Numbers are spiking in a lot of different areas because people are thinking that it's safe to go hang out and not wear your mask. It is not safe to not wear your mask. So please, please, please don't forget your mask. Anywhere you go. Today I went to the nursery. I love going to the nursery. And I bought a few different things for the yard. Kind of removed some stuff that hopefully will keep the chickens even safer, and then planted some stuff. And hopefully when they get out later, they won't eat it. They definitely like to eat jalapeno pepper plants, cilantro plants. I don't think we planted anything like that, but I don't know what their desire will be with the new yard additions. So physically distant, socially connected, everybody stay safe, and I'm gonna keep making spring rolls. See ya.